County, emergency officials on high alert. Several roads underwater and rivers could overrun their banks.
KOMO Siren Majors is in Kent with what you need to know to prepare. And Tyra, take a look at the scene behind you. That gas station flooded.
I mean, this gas station is completely off limits this morning. For some perspective, this is the Chevron at 277th and Central Avenue. You can see a car here almost submerged. I was able to watch the gas station worker pull out of here and still walk into work, but this gas station is probably going to be closed for the remainder of the day. The pumps are way down below, so I'm only standing just below my calves here. I'm about 5'4". That water is actually a lot deeper. This is a widespread area with flooding. I should say the flooding is widespread. To our right is the intersection of 277th and Central Avenue, which is completely closed. Cars have been having a hard time getting through all morning long. I did speak with the gas station worker there, and he said, I don't know what we're going to do for the day. The gas station is going to be closed. Obviously, the major thoroughfare also closed in this area. So the Green River, not too far away from here, and they're at a phase 3 level. That has dropped from a phase 4. It was at phase 4 last night, phase 3 now, and they're basically urging residents to be ready for a go plan, have that go bag ready, check the conditions online. They're being posted in real time by both the city of Auburn and the city of Kent, but certainly a lot of damage in this area and a lot of water. Across the street, the businesses are fine, but it's really just this side of the 277th that is getting the brunt of it. And there's a coffee shop here too, if you're familiar with the area. I imagine that's going to be closed for the remainder of the day. So the flooding certainly impacting the commute, local businesses, and obviously the residents as well. So prepare for that. But I've never seen anything like this, Kelly and Holly. Certainly destruction to this Chevron behind me.
Yeah, and clearly this is the most dramatic scene that we have seen so far this morning. But you've been driving around different areas. Can you give us a rest of the lay of the land as you've been seeing driving around?
Yeah, we were driving along SR 18 through Auburn and also on the Valley Freeway, and I'll tell you, the visibility is very low. The rain is coming down so hard, and that's creating for tough conditions. We did have some emergency crews drive past us, presumably on the way to an accident or maybe a stalled car situation, but that's something you're going to want to keep in mind. We had our windshield wipers working pretty quickly this morning, and I think that's what you all are going to be in for in terms of the morning drive.
Yeah, and we can hear the wind even whipping too, which we know is an aggravating factor in all of this. All right, Tyra, thank you. We'll be sure to check back.
Tough. Yeah.
Thank you.